Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best wood lathe that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Rycon 70-105 Mini Lathe. The first tool on our list is a mini lathe built specifically for beginners and pen makers. However, don't let that fool you into thinking this is a flimsy wood lathe. On the contrary, the Rycon 70-105 Mini Lathe packs a powerful 1/2 HP motor under the hood running on 375 watts. It has 5 speeds, ranging from 450 RPM to 2600 RPM, which is the required speed for pen making and is faster than some midi lathes. One thing that sets this apart from other mini lathes is its dimensions. It has a 10-inch swing and the distance between centers is 18 inches, making it long enough to accommodate many projects, including some chair and table legs. Moving on at number 4, we have Delta Industrial Midi Lathe. The Delta Industrial Midi Lathe has a powerful 1 HP motor, capable of handling even the most challenging beginner and semi-pro projects. The extra power comes in handy for heavier furniture. The 12.5-inch swing is one of the widest for a midi lathe. You can also use the extension to stretch the bed length to 42 inches, giving you room to work on larger projects like chairs, banisters, tables, and a host of other products. At number 3, we have PSI Woodworking Turncrafter Commander Midi Lathe. The Turncrafter Commander is the type of turnkey midi lathe you need when you work with tight delivery windows. For starters, it has a 1 horsepower motor as you would expect, but then PSI combines it with an SBC microprocessor to deliver one of the most advanced setups for a midi lathe. Next, this midi lathe has 2 belt positions. The first one alternates between 500–1800 RPM, while the second goes from 1950 to 3800 RPM. Even though the range of speeds is unheard of for a product this size, what takes it to another level is the digital readout, which allows you to select the precise speed. At number 2, we have Shopfox W1758 Wood Lathe. Even though these dimensions are standard, you can still execute a wider range of projects, thanks to the swivel head. You can set the headstock to 0 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, and 180 degrees for outboard turning, which is made easier by the tool rest extension. While this product is great for beginners, experts will also enjoy using this. What you may not enjoy is the instruction manual, which is a bit confusing to figure out. And finally at number 1. Jet JWL1015 VS Variable Speed Wood Lathe. The Jet Mini Lathe has 3 speed ranges, 210–50 RPM, 317–50 RPM, and 603,600 RPM. So, if you're a beginner in need of gentle practice or even blistering speed, you'll find both here. When you find machines marketed at novices, you typically expect them to be substandard. However, when the product is made by one of the best wood lathe brands, you know it will be special. You can work on projects with a diameter of up to 10 inches, while the distance between centers is 15 inches. However, you can expand it to 21 inches with the bed extension and stand, sold separately. Speaking of the bed, the manufacturer has improved on the previous model by making it a bit wider. This gives you more room to maneuver, and it also makes the machine sturdier, which you'll need for the superb speed. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.